Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see bio on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, open up your TikTok app. Then once you're here in the home screen, you can tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. You will find your profile section, and when you see this little sentence here, this writing, the letters over here is basically where your bio will be for any other account as well, and for you as well. If you want to go to bio and edit them out, you can tap on this edit button, go to bio section, and you will be able to add more text and whatever you would prefer, and tap on save on top right corner, and you're good to go. It will be saved and modified here in the bio section and will look different. Now when you go to home section, if you want to check somebody else's bio, all you have to do is tap on their profile, and you will be able to check out the bio of that person's over there as well. You can do that as many times as you want. You can check out anybody's bio as long as they allow it. You can check out their bio by just tapping on the profile likewise, and you will find their bio right there. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.